If you're still looking for a remote job in 2025, it is because you've been doing everything wrong. And today, I want to show you the right things that you have to do to get a remote job in 2025. Now, what is a remote job? A remote job is basically a job that you do from the comfort of your home, from the comfort of anywhere that you are at every given point in time. You don't have to be in the office, you don't have to be in traffic, you don't have to sit up every morning saying you're rushing to work. You can work from the comfort of your home and get paid, not just in your local currency, but you can get paid in foreign currency. Now, the first step to getting a remote job is number one, you need to ditch all those Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer. You know why? No. Do you know why? Now, let me tell you. It's because those platforms are highly saturated. So what do I mean by these platforms are really saturated? I mean that these platforms have low number of jobs compared to the number of freelancers on these platforms. So you can't be there. You can't be competing with people who want to get paid $0.001 per hour. Come on, that doesn't work. You want to go to where you can be paid as high as $20 per hour. And I'm going to show you those platforms that you need to go to. Number two is that you need to have a digital skill. Nobody wants to hire someone who doesn't have a skill. You need to have something of value that you can offer to business entrepreneurs, to companies, so they can, in exchange for that, pay you handsomely. Number three, you need to optimize your profile. Optimize your profile on all of your social media platforms. Optimize on LinkedIn, on Instagram, on TikTok, whichever social media platform that you use. You have to position yourself as an expert in that field. I remember a few years ago, I had someone who came to me and said, "Oh, I'm done with university. I don't have a job. I don't have anything to do. I need a remote job." And the first thing I asked her was, "Do you have a digital skill?" And she said, "No." I said, "Why don't you have a digital skill that was in 2024. I said, "Why don't you have a digital skill in 2024? And she said, "I don't have a digital skill." And I said, "Okay, no problem." I gave her a set of skills that she could learn: content writing, copywriting, UI, UX, and eventually she went for content writing. And what I did was I gave her a professional roadmap to become a writer in just few weeks. And in less than 2 months, she became a professional writer. And she came back to me and I gave her a roadmap to get a remote job. In just 4 weeks, she got a remote job with a company in Germany that is paying her up to 1,000 euros per month. Now, if you're in Nigeria, you know that's a lot of money, right? That's because I put a comprehensive roadmap for her: how to position yourself as an expert, how to optimize your profile, how to use LinkedIn, which is one of the most powerful tools out there, how to use LinkedIn to get a remote job. Not everyone knows how to use LinkedIn, and I actually showed her. So now all of these things that I showed her to get a remote job, I've been able to put everything together into a single guide, and I'm giving it to you today for as little as a cup of water. Trust me, you have everything that you need at your fingertips right now. All you have to do is comment "I need" below and I'll send it to your DM, or just click the link in my bio and get this comprehensive roadmap on how to get a remote job in just less than 4 weeks. 4 weeks, all it's going to take you to get a remote job. Stop stalling. This is 2025. A lot of people are making money working from home. Be that person today and join them. I'll see you.